In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on Eventbrite. Whether you're hosting a small meetup or a larger public gathering, this walkthrough will take you from opening the site to publishing the basic event details clearly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Eventbrite website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page for the Create button. Click that, then select Event. This takes you straight into Eventbrite's event setup flow, where you can choose how you'd like to begin. You'll see two options: start from scratch or create your event faster with AI. If you start from scratch, you'll type everything in manually. This is great if you already know your details and want full control from the first keystroke. If you choose the AI option, Eventbrite can help you draft the basics based on a short prompt. That can be helpful when you want a head start on structure or wording, and you can always fine-tune the results afterward. Either path leads to the same essentials you need to provide. Begin with the event name. Make it clear and specific so attendees instantly understand what it is. Avoid overly long titles and keep the most important keywords up front. Next, set the date and time. Double-check the time zone, especially if you or your audience span different regions, and ensure the start and end times reflect the actual schedule. If your event runs over multiple days or sessions, keep your primary date accurate now. You can refine advanced scheduling later if needed. For location, choose whether your event is in person or online. If it's in person, enter the venue name and address as precisely as possible so maps and directions work correctly. If it's online, select the online option. Eventbrite will handle it accordingly, and you can add access details later. A clear location helps attendees plan their travel or set up their virtual access without confusion. Once you've entered the event name, date and time, and location, review the information for accuracy. Typos in titles, incorrect dates, or an incomplete address can create unnecessary friction for your audience. When everything looks right, click Create Event. That's it. Your event has been created. From here, you can explore additional settings like descriptions, images, tickets, and publishing options at your own pace. But with those core details in place, you've successfully set up your Eventbrite event and are ready for the next steps whenever you are.